Guys, it's Steve from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. Today we are doing just a real quick video. I was gifted all these wooden stamps, fabulous wooden stamps by somebody whose mother no longer stamps or crafts. I don't know the reason, but they gave them away. A big, huge bag full. So they're all rubber stamps, wooden rubber stamps. I've said it a million times before. I don't need any more, but free. And, I'm a crafter, so I collect. Anyway, I said yes, and I took them. Some of these were very much dried out. So, red rubber gets, focus. It's spongy, but they dry out if they're not used a lot or whatever. I guess depending on where you live or whatever, how old they are. So they get a little dried out. So this one in particular is Anna Griffin, made in the U.S., called All Night Media. And I don't see a date on it, but anyway, it was super duper dried out. And I really like it. It's like a little frame thing. So I was like, how do I get these to be smushy again and not so dried out? And like condition them, basically. So I went on YouTube and I found a video. And a girl said what she uses is glycerin. I believe I bought this at CVS. Yes, CVS. I'm not sure the price, how much it was. I bought it a few years ago. It was like $3. I bought it in 2021, looks like. Had it forever. And so it's water. Glycerin is water-based from what I understand. It's ideal for dry, for dry skin, chapped lips, or cracked heels. It deeply moisturizes, leaving skin feeling soft and smooth. So you use it for your skin, obviously, but the girl used this. And she took a brush, a much smaller brush than this, and she dipped it in, and then she all around. So all I did was get a little bit on my fingertip, as you can see, and then I just went around. I don't want to do it again to this one, but I'll show you. I have another one here. This is one of mine from Inkadinkado. It was on clearance. I use it a lot, obviously, but it's drying out a little bit. So this is all I did last night. I went around all of these stamps that she gave me. So I may spend a day and do all of my wooden stamps just to get them conditioned. And then I just leave them overnight. Here's another one. This was like a dollar store one. This was Katie and Company, designed for Hampton Art. I think I got this at AC Moore back when they were around. So I just do this. And just rub it on. Now the girl did the brush that got it all up in these little nooks and crannies and stuff. I don't know if that's necessary to do. Sorry. My Ring camera just went off. I don't know that it's necessary to do the inside. If you choose to, go right ahead. But then she also said she let her sit overnight as well. And then she said you can rinse it off with water because it's water soluble. It is an oil, but it's water soluble. But I don't have water handy. But anyway, it does feel so much softer. I'm just going to go around them all. I'll leave those for overnight. And just wipe them with my Temu rag. And they all feel so much softer. My only fear, and she said it didn't, so I don't know, does it leave a residue on the paper? So let's find out. Look at this, the little piano keys. Cute. Okay, let's get this cardstock. Let's get a piece Piece of cornstalk here. Oh, by the way, guys, I was reorganizing yesterday because, excuse me, I don't have enough space for my stuff. And I don't use my stuff if I don't see it or have it at hand's reach. So, I rearranged and maneuvered and I've made another like little L. My desk is now like a U shape because I put a little extension. And I have my Vagabond next to me for my dies, and I put my dies next to me so I'll use them more because if I don't see them, I won't use them. So I just did that last night. But meanwhile, I found my mouse pad that I'm looking for forever. Alright, let's use good old VersaFine. Let's do the piano keys first. Okay, ready? I should have done it before. It doesn't seem to hinder it at all. I really want to do this one. Let's see how this works out. I'm doing my nails today. I'm shaking. It's because I'm sitting funky in the way I'm pressing. Shake ya. Oh. That's not good. I wonder if it's just... Let's do it this way. Maybe it was my shaking. No, I don't think it worked out too well. I think it might just be the stamp, though. Squirt some water on it. So, the point is, yeah, that stamp looks worn. Oh, look, it is. It's very worn. You guys see? That's disappointing because I really like this stamp. It's very much worn there, but not so much there. So it's the way the stamp is. Alrighty. Let's try another one. Let's check this guy out. Nice little sailboat scene happening here. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, that's pretty, actually. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Anyway, I thought that was interesting and cool, and I'm sure everybody else knew about this already. I'm always late to the party. But glycerin and rubber stamps, it will help condition your rubber stamps, apparently. So I'm going to go through and wipe all these down. And then I guess I'm going to catalog them all so I have them in my book for future. And what else I got to say? I don't know. I'll let you guys know how this works out with my little thing on the side here. My little cutting station. So, okay, guys. I hope you have a good day. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I did order a bunch of stuff from Temu that should be coming in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. We're going to be doing a Temu haul video. I have not been back to Ollie's since the last time I went, and they didn't have anything new at my Ollie's. So That was kind of a bust. What else I got to say? Nothing. I hope everybody has a very happy holiday. If I don't talk to you beforehand, um, we're not doing much. We kind of did a little celebration with Sarah and Tyler last Friday. They came because they're both working Christmas Eve and Christmas, so I won't see them. So we did it a little early, which is fine. So Will and I do our own thing, and that's that. So I might just hang out up here and start doing, I don't know what. Who knows? All right, guys. I'm done talking to you. I'm going to go finish this up. And I will catch up with you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.